Friends, welcome to Aishusdiy. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful, easy earrings. Very pretty earrings. This is from the Nature's Bounty Treasure Box from GGC Beginning Beaders. So it's Gina's Gem Creations, that's owner for other channel. She has treasure boxes. It's a limited edition. The second box is already sold out. These are the contents. These are the stuff that is remaining in the box. I still have a lot to work with, and I already posted several videos on necklaces and bracelet and earrings. This is the earring that I'm going to use this 3-stand connector with. So these two connectors are the ones that I'm using for this earring, and also I'm using this bead which came in the box as well. I had 2 leftovers, so I used one of that, and then this bead cap is also in the box. The only thing I'm using from my stash is my ear wire. You can make yourself a ear wire, and then some 24 gauge stainless steel wire. And these roundels and this pearl beads are from the box as such. And then you also need a head pin, 2 head pins actually, one here I've used, the other one is over here. So now I have this 24 gauge bead landing wire. So I'm going to just take some wire and straighten it out a bit so it's nice and straight. Let me just get all of these down there, and then keep the wire in here and then straighten it up just like so. Then what you need to do is pick up your beads, and also you need 11 seed beads. This is from my stash as well. So pick up one bead, 1 one bead, 1 one bead, and 1 one pearl, 1 so 4, and then a blue one. So there is a hematite color metallic roundel as well. You can use that also instead of the blue one, but I like the blue one, so I use that. And so I actually use 2 of the roundels in the centerpiece and 1 in each side. So you can choose whichever pattern you like. It's totally up to you. I like this pattern, and it is so simple to do. It's a very simple earring, but at the same time it's long and it's nice to wear them as day-to-day earrings, or even a party wear. You can wear it. So that's that. So here we go. This much I have. Now take your round nose pliers. We need round nose pliers, tweezer nose pliers or needle nose pliers, and wire cutters. I leave about a centimeter or so, and then I just make a loop, and then I take this 3-strand connector and then add this to actually one end of the connector, and then go ahead and make yourself, like I did 3 wraps, but it's totally up to you. 1 or 2 wraps is also sufficient, but since I made 3 wraps in the other pair, so I'm just going to make the same here. Then bring down all the beads. You can also cut this wire if you want to. I would like to work with the spool so that I don't have any wastage of wire. So here we go, and then take this, bend the wire to 90 degrees and make a loop. Once you make a loop, just like so, cut it about like 2 centimeters or so, however you are comfortable with wire wrapping. And then now you need to add the other connector, one end of the other connector, the loop, and then hold this and make yourself a couple of wraps until you reach the bead, and then snip that off. If there is a tail, go ahead and tuck the tail in so that it doesn't catch your hair or dress or anything like that. So here we go, we finished making one. So like this I will make 3, and then I will make the tangle. So take one pearl, 1 labano, 1 pearl, 1 labano, 1 more pearl, so 3 pearls, 1 labano, and then after the 3rd pearl I'm adding 1 more roundel, and I'm just going to drop my labano down here, move the earrings right here so that it's easy for me to pick it up. There we go, 1 labano, and then 1 pearl and 1 labano. So the pattern is very simple. You just pick up those beads and then you make a wrap loop and you're done. So add a bead, so you need to pick up 2 more pearls and you're done. So there we go, 3 pearls, a roundel, a pearl, a roundel, and 3 pearls. In between we have seed beads. So make sure your wire is straight. You can straighten your wire off. Okay, and all you need to do is make a loop, a wrap loop, bend your wire, make the loop, and then add it to the center of the 3 strand connectors, and then hold it there and make yourself a couple of wraps. Be consistent so that the finished product comes out really nice, and snip off the excess thread. Move all these beads down. Now there is a short tail which I'm going to tuck in, but I will finish this side first, making myself a loop just like so, and then snipping off excess wire. We just need this much to make our wrap loop. Now add it to this to the second loop on the top, and there it is. Now hold this. This is a little bit tricky, as you can see. Sometimes it does come just like that, and then hold on when you hold on, so everything can come in between. So make sure your loop is fine, and then as you can see, this one is coming in the way, but when you do the wrap it should be fine. And then snip off the excess wire, tuck in the tail, tuck in the tail the other side too, if you have one. And then it will straighten on its own. If not, make sure everything is proper and straight. The loops are. That's what you need to make sure about. If not, it's no big deal. Just twist the loop and it should fall into place, just like so. Then we will do the third one. All you need to do is pick up all the beads in the pattern that we did in the first line. So 4 pulls, in between there are seed beads, and then a crystal, and I'll grab some more pearls for myself. We have 36 inch of pearls, so there is enough to go. These two are stuck together, so if I separate it, there is a little bit of white color showing, so I'm using these. So 4 pearls and 1 crystal. I used to think this blue will go very well with silver and copper and not gold. This is golden color pearls, almost like light. I don't know exactly how to say this color, but for this color I would say the gold looks good. This is a mixed metal kind of a project. I used a silver, I used antique silver, and I used antique gold here, and I also used the champagne color. So it's like a combination. It's like a multimedia earrings, you can say. Not multimedia, it's like like mixed metal. Okay, so here we go. We'll make our loop. Before closing the loop, make sure you add it to the last loop of the connector over here. Hold it with your pliers and wrap it with your fingers, or you can also use your pliers to do so. Once you have 3 wraps, go ahead and snip off this short tail. And then move all the beads down. Now I need to take my round nose pliers, keep it on top of the beads, bend it to 90 degrees, reposition, come around, and you have a loop. So I finished adding the third one there, and I'm going to take my head pin, put this hexagon like twister shaped bicone shaped twisted bicone, that's what it is. Champagne bead, take that, put the bead cap on, bend it to 90 degrees. My head pin is a thin gauge, so I'm doing a wrapped loop as well, but if you have a thicker gauge you can just do a basic loop, doesn't matter. So here we go, put it in here and then do some wraps. Tuck the tail in. You might want to switch pliers for this. This is thin and it would just rotate if I use my tweezer nose pliers. So I like to use my bent nose pliers for this. So here we go. Our earring is almost done. Okay. Then all you need to do is add your ear wire. Open up the ear wire loop and add it to the top of this connector winding and close it. Make sure it's completely closed. Just move it like that, because it's a lap loop. You don't have to worry, it will never come off. And how cute is that earring? That'll form a nice one. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos almost every day. It comes around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to check out in the description box below. I will leave a link down for ggctreasures.com. You can sign up and then you will get a reminder when the new box gets released and you can buy them. It normally gets sold out within a day or 3. So thank you so much. Bye.